Beautiful move-in ready home, located in the sought-after resort-style 55-plus community of Valencia Lakes. Upon walking up the paved walkway through the screened entryway, you are greeted by a beautiful foyer and open floor plan. The home offers some wonderful features including paved driveway, tile roof, gourmet kitchen with 42-inch solid wood cabinets, Corian countertops with backsplash, osmosis water treatment system. 18 by 18 tile floors throughout, upgraded textured carpet in master suite and second bedroom. Coffered ceilings above foyer and master suite. Screened in rear extended lanai and no backyard neighbors. The master bath has separate vanities, shower, his and her walk-in closets and garden bathtub. Beautiful mature landscaping with garden borders surround the home. All ducts have been recently cleaned and a new 80 gallons hot water heater has recently been installed. Valencia Lakes offers a fabulous 40,000 SF socially active and athletic clubhouse offering resort-style amenities. The clubhouse includes a world-class fitness center outfitted with the latest equipment, aerobics room, spa with steam rooms, showers and locker rooms. Valencia has 3 pools, resort-style, resistance and lap. Lifestyle director on site to assist residents in meeting their fitness goals. The social athletic clubhouse will feature a grand ballroom featuring Broadway quality shows, billiards room, card rooms, internet cafe, hosting multiple community events, activities and clubs weekly. Valencia Lakes offers 24-hour guarded access and alarm monitoring of residents' home alarm systems and full-service lawn care, all included in the HOA fee. Paradise awaits you. Enjoy the photos and call for your personal showing.